I don't think so I can do it. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are talking about because you and me, we are kind of having a discussion and we should be talking to each other. So, we're talking about how to handle self-doubt, right? So, whenever in our lives, when we start something new, we pick up a new habit, we pick up a new job or something new, right? We generally have two kind of voices in our head, right? One would say that, hey, you are capable of doing this. The other one would say, hey, I don't think I'm capable of doing this. So that kind of feeling, right? So in today's video, we are talking about how to handle this negative voice in our head which says that, hey, I don't think I can do it. And how we can just, mute this voice a little bit and get started with what we want to do. And I want to start this video with a quotation that I read a couple days back, which was, on the other side of self doubt is the person that you have been waiting for. So if I talk about myself right now, I think I'm experiencing good amount of self-doubt right now because we have started this YouTube channel. It's a new journey. We are very new to the platform. We are trying to understand what works here, what doesn't work here, how to edit, film, talk, shoot, script, and so many things which look very easy when you see the videos, but there is some work which goes behind this, right? So you will doubt yourself saying that, hey, am I capable enough of doing this thing? Am I capable enough to get into this? Am I good enough for this? Should I be actually getting into this? What if I fail? What if the kind of work that you are putting forward in these videos doesn't give us the result that we are looking for, right? So these kind of questions keep coming to the mind, and the only thing that has always helped me whenever I've had self-doubt in my life, just two words that I keep saying to myself, and I think they work wonderfully. So the words are, okay, whatever. Sounds very simple, right? But hear me out, okay? So whenever you have doubt in your head, right? So it's more about the confidence that you're lacking, right? One, of course, is the skill set. Do you have the skill set? Mostly you will have the skill set, then only you should be getting into things. Or maybe you are trying to build a new skill set. That is also one thing, right? But when you have the skill set in place and still you doubt yourself, in those moments, you either can have someone who will motivate you or push you a little bit that, hey, no, you're capable of doing this. So you get a little pushed, right? Or you can be your biggest motivator and say to yourself, hey, okay, whatever, I will do this thing. I will try. Because trying something is never going to give you more failure than not trying is going to give, right? Let's say you have an interview. Abhi kya hai ki you are like, yeah, I don't think so I'm prepared enough. I'll take more time and then get into it. Versus you'll be like, okay, let me go and experience this. Let me go and see कि क्या पूछ रहे हैं आखिर interview में. Let me experience that interview. The more interviews you will give, the more you will understand what is working and what is not working. And I think in life, it is important to understand what doesn't work as well. And it's okay if you fail. It is absolutely okay if you fail because failure is actually just learning, right? So all I want to say is next time when you experience this thing of, this voice in your head which says that, hey, I don't think so I can do it. You just say to yourself, okay, whatever. What will I lose if I am not able to do this? It's okay. I couldn't do it, but at least I tried. Try things, मोटिवेट योर सेल्फ से, ओके जो होगा देखा जाएगा, चल गया हुआ काम हुआ, इंटरव्यू निकला नहीं निकला देखा जाएगा बाद में, बट लेट मी एटलीस्ट गेट इनटू इट, राइट? लेट मी ट्राई इट वंस, होगा तो होगा, नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ, कोई बात नहीं. So that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you today. That next time when you experience self doubt, just say to yourself, okay, whatever. I will see. If it works out, nice. If it doesn't work out, then also it's nice. I learned something new. Or maybe I will understand that this thing is not for me. Let me pick up something else. Simple. So yeah, thank you so much. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you again in this series, which is called Okay Whatever. Improve the quality of things. Improve the qualities of things. We will ensure that. So we will on each and every video of ours. There is a weekly passing by. Just a second.